everyone, in this video you will learn about how to create Angular 12 project. First we need to install Angular CLI with npm. Open command prompt, so type command npm install -g angular/CLI. Here -g means we are installing Angular CLI globally. And Angular CLI is a command line interface tool for initializing, developing and maintaining Angular application from a command shell. Here npm means Node Package Manager, which consists of all repositories and packages required for development. Once the Angular CLI is installed, to check the version of Angular and type command here ng version, then hit enter. So here the Angular CLI version is 12.2.10 and Node 14.18.1, Package Manager npm 6.14.15. Next, to create a project, we'll create a folder on desktop. Created a folder called first Angular project. Click on this folder. From this folder, open command prompt. So type here cmd. In command prompt, give command ng new Angular project. Here ng is the prefix, stands for Angular, and Angular project is the project name. Then hit enter. While creating Angular project, it will ask some questions. Would you like to add Angular routing? I'll enter Y, that is S. The another question is, which style sheet format would you like to use? Here I'll be selecting CSS. For installing it will take some time. If we go to first Angular project folder, our Angular project folder is created. So now package installed successfully. Let's go inside Angular project folder. So type command here cd Angular project. Here cd is change directory. Then hit enter. Next open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So type here command code space dot. Then Angular project will be open in VS Code editor. Then open terminal by giving control backtick. To run application, we'll give command here ng -o. This command will start our application and run it on browser. I'll give here Y. Here Angular project is compiled successfully. If we go to browser, here we can see the Angular application is running on localhost :4200 port number. Here 4200 is the default port number on which Angular application runs. This is how we can create Angular 12 project. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thanks for watching.